What's up, traders? It's time to talk. So let's talk. So somebody's asking, from your experience, would you advise one to trade multiple pairs or to stick to one or two pairs? Now, let me answer this question with my own personal story. When I started trading, I was trading all the currency pairs I could find, including exotic pairs. You won't believe that some point in my life, I traded USD NGN. I'm telling you, at some time in my life, I actually traded USD NGN. I think it was with a cent account because of the spread was much for a small account I was trading. So I think something like that. But at some point, just for a few days, I traded USD NGN because I was experimenting everything that was possible to be experimented with on the chart. You get so, but that messed me up real good because on a normal level, on a natural day, I'm a bit impatient. So anytime I open the chart and I don't see a setup on a particular pair, I'll go looking for other pairs, because then my approach to trading was, once you open your chart, you must trade. Something must open. You understand? A buy or a sell must be open. For this session to count as a trading session, chart, buy or sell must be open. So that was my approach to trading. I didn't see the market. I didn't approach the market based on the market has to give me the opportunity before I strike. Mine is to go create the opportunities, which is a very bad mindset. If you are, if at least if you're trading for long, you should know by now. Going to the market to create opportunities for yourself is a setup. You mess up. I'm telling you, blow accounts. You get tired of blowing accounts. So you just go to the market to look for opportunity. If there's an opportunity there, you strike. If there's no opportunity, go home. All right. So then I go hunting. Call it, whatever I call it. I was position hunting, so I must open something. So I list all the currency pairs, go from this to this to this, make sure that I must take one trade on at least one pair. But that messed me up real good. And what I did was I reduced the currencies to 5. I started trading I started trading 8. All the major currency pairs that had USD, I was trading all of them. But that didn't make my problem go away also. Okay, I reduced this to 5. From 5, I reduced it to 3 USD, USD, GBP, USD, CHF. But I quickly found out that all the USD pairs, especially the major pairs, are all correlated. If GBP USD is going up, USD CHF is most likely coming down. If USD CHF is going up, Euro USD is most likely going down. If Euro USD is going up, GBP USD is most likely going up. So at the end of the day, choosing all the major pairs alone was still a problem, because I could only take one trade, and that was all. So if I take a trade on GBP USD, I can't take a trade on Euro USD, USD CHF, USD JPY because of the correlation. So the whole thing was still like messed up. You get? So sometimes I'll take a buy on Euro USD and take a sell on GBP USD. I was just doing the opposite. So Euro USD is making money, GBP USD is cancelling the money that Euro USD is making. So messed up on many levels. So I reduced this to one, only Euro USD, and it was making sense at the time, because at least it helped me to work on my patience. So I come to the chart and I don't see anything, I just leave it. Okay, I don't do anything. Another thing, problem that might predispose you to is pressure. Okay, because if on Euro USD, maybe for a whole week you might not see a setup. You understand? So you might end up 2 weeks you've not traded, because if you're true to yourself, there's no setup. So if you're true to yourself, there's no setup, you can't force anything. So at the end of the day, you end up not trading for a very long time, and or you decide to defy that pressure and decide to take a trade regardless, knowing fully well that this trade is rubbish. You still take it regardless. You get? So I now started increasing it back. I started from 1, I started increasing it back to 3 to 5. What I was doing now is I wasn't adding correlated pair. I might choose Euro USD, maybe go down, choose CAD JPY, choose let's say maybe Euro JPY, just pick different currencies just to make up my list. So like that, from 5 to 8. So I had 8 pairs that were not very much correlated to each other. Correlation was like less than 50% on all of the currency pairs. So it made more sense to me. So if you want to trade multiple currency pairs, just make sure that most of them are not that correlated. You can pick GBP USD, maybe go pick CAD JPY, maybe Euro AUD, and NZD CAD or something. Just different currency pairs that the currencies and the countries using the currencies are not correlated, or they don't have some form of liaison or collaboration that is affecting the movement of their currency pairs alike. All right, so from there, from 8 I increased it to like 14. From 14 I'm back to trading the 28 currency pairs available, and the reason for that is because currently I manage multiple accounts, as you guys know. So I have a lot of accounts, so I try not to take the same trade on all the accounts. So if I take, let's say, Euro AED, GBP USD on one account, I can decide to, if I see other setups on different accounts, I can take different currency pairs on different accounts, so that all the results don't end up looking the same. So sometimes on a portfolio, we can be profit here and be on a loss here. Sometimes we can be break even here and be on a very massive profit on another account because of that, because of the way we tend to manage accounts. You get so that's the thing. So it all boils down to you, your personality, and how you trade. You understand? If you know that pressure is not a problem, if you don't see a setup, you can deal with it. Trade one currency pair. You can make all your money on one currency pair. I know somebody has been trading Euro USD only for the past 7 or 8 years. Only Euro. It doesn't trade and has made all the money, buys all the nicest cars, has all the beautiful houses, only on Euro USD. You understand? So there are human beings like that. It depends on you and how you choose to do. For me, I trade all the 28 currency pairs because I make money on all of them. So as much as possible, I can trade them. All right. So this has been the FX Daddy podcast series. This is the Q&A series. So feel free to ask me questions bordering on Forex, trading, finance, wealth management, money making. Send your questions on the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to your questions. Ciao. See you some other time.